Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're on an active call and need to cut it cleanly now. First, wake your iPhone and ensure the in-call screen is visible so you can see the red end call button. If you use a headset, make sure it's connected because its controls may hang up for you. Once visible, position your thumb near the red button and note the side button behavior. Sometimes a press will silence rather than end the call, so prepare to tap the on-screen end call. To actually cut the call, tap the red end call button centrally. That's the most direct method. If you're using wired or Bluetooth headphones, press the inline center or multifunction button once to disconnect without touching the phone. This is faster when your phone isn't handy. Alternatively, use Siri by saying, "Hey Siri, hang up," if voice activation is on and permitted during the call. Make sure the microphone and Siri permissions are active, so the voice command will register as intended. After cutting the call, confirm it's truly ended by checking the status bar and the recents list. Sometimes the UI lags. If the call still shows active or audio continues, toggle airplane mode briefly to drop the connection or force close the phone app and reopen it. Once done, restart the iPhone if issues persist. Persistent failure to end calls often resolves after an iOS update or reboot. One troubleshooting tip: if a hang-up doesn't register, flip airplane mode on for 3 seconds to force.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.